Hello guys, we continue practice solving equation using algebra. And for question 8, we have 6 questions in this line. The first thing is solve the equation algebraically, showing your step and checking your solution by substitution into the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, how can you solve your working out for this one? The first step, I will rewrite the equation and then I will roll the operation I will apply for both sides here. First thing is plus 2 and plus 2 for both sides. You got 6f and 66. And multiply 6, I will divide by 6 for the left and divide by 6 for the right. After divide by 6, I'm got here is 11. So my answer for this question will be f equal to 11. That is the first thing. The second one, I have to change my solution, substitute to left hand side and right hand side. And look at this one. We got 6 multiply f. It means multiply 11 minus 2 equal to 64. So this one will be 66 minus 2 equal to 64. And of course, this is correct. We finish question 1 from the first thing is show your step and the second one is show your working out. Check your solution. Check your solution by substitution only. Okay. The second thing you got here is b. Here is b. We got k divided by 4 plus 9 equal to 10. And k divided by 4 plus 9 equal to 10. This means the first thing I need to write down here is minus 9. Minus 9 for left and then minus 9 for right. 10 minus 9, you got 1. After that, we have k divided by 4. I will use multiply 4. 1 multiply 4 here, you got k equal to 4. So k equal to 4. Check your solution. It means substitution. K substitute by 4. Divide by 4 plus 9 equal to 10. So here is 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Yes, this one is correct. That is true equation. Question B, we done. Question C, 5x minus 4 equal to 41. And the first thing I will apply is plus 4 for the left and plus 4 for the right. 5h will be here, 45 here. Divide by 9, sorry, divide by 5. Divide by 5, 45 divide by 5, and here is 8 and this one is 9. Okay, 8 equal to 9 will be my answer. And I will check my solution. 5 times 8 is mean 5 times 9 minus 4 equal to 41. Here is 45 minus 4 equal to 41. Yeah, we finished checking and h equal to 9 is exactly the solution of this equation. We finished question C. The next one will be D. You got here is 3, a minus 8 inside the bracket and the other side will be 3. So from multiply 3, divide by 3, you got a minus 8. 3 here, divide by 3. This is will be equal to 1. And from here, I will add 8 for the both side of this one. A equal to 1 plus 8 equal to 9. And after that, we got here is 3. 9 minus 8 equal to 3. And then 3 multiply 1 equal to 3. That's it. We finish this question. We continue to question E. About question E, 2 steps. The first step is plus 9, of course. Plus 9 for left, plus 9 for right, and then 5k will be here. After that, you got 40 here, and multiply 5, divide 5, this one, divide 5 by here. This is k. 40 divided by 5, you got 8, and then we done. Question F, a divided by 3 plus 6 plus equal to 8. Okay, and first thing, I will minus 6 in here. A divided by 3, 6, 8 minus 8, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. And the operation here is a divided by 3. For cancel divide by 3, I will multiply 3 for both sides. Multiply 3. This is a, and 2 times 3 equal to 6. Of course, we finished question F. That's it. Not too difficult, right? Question G and question 8. How can we work with this one? About question G, 2n minus 8 equal to 14. And the first thing I will plus 8. This is also be plus 8. You got 2n equal to 14 plus 8. Oh, sorry. 14 plus 8. I can write down the answer immediately. Then divide by 2. You got here is n. Divide by 2. You got here is 11. After that, we need checking my solution. Checking my solution is mean 2 multiply 11 minus 8 equal to 14. So 22 minus 8 equal to 14. Yeah, that is two equation. That is question 8. Going on with question 8. That is question G going on to question 8, sorry. And over 4 plus 6 or equal to 8 now. Minus 6 for both sides. Minus 6 for left, minus 6 for right. And over 4 equal to 2. And multiply 6 for left, multiply 4 for left, multiply 4 for right. Here is n, and this one will be 8. And checking my solution, you got 8 divided by 4, substitute 8 to the value of n here, plus 6, okay, equal to 8. Checking this one, 8 divided by 4, you got 2 plus 6 equal to 8 now. Okay, we finished question 8. Move to question I. 1, 2g minus 7. And add 7 in here. This is 8. This is 2g. After that, you got 2 times g. I want to making subject for g. Divide by 2 and divide by 2. Divide by 2, you got 4. Divide by 2, you got g. Check things out. You got here is 1, 2 multiply 4 minus 7. And here is 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Okay, that is correct. It means I have the right answer. The next question is question J. The next question is J. We have here 3q minus 3. And then plus 3. Going on for this one is plus 3. And 3, and here is 3q. This means divide by 3. Divide by 3, we got here is 11. And this one will be g. G equal to 11. Yes, we finished this one. And the next thing we need to check. It out. 30 equal to 3 times 11 minus 3. 30 equal to 33 minus 3 equal to 30. Yeah, it is true answer. Okay, and now I think you can working by yourself for these 4 questions. Checking question K, M, L, and N, and then compare to this solution. You got the solution from the question 8 here. A lot of questions for here. Yeah, we can check the answer for this one, and then you continue to the left of this question like this one. Okay, stop video right now, working by yourself and compare to my solution in here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in next